What motivated you to pursue the career you have today?
What motivated me? I think just my desire to be successful. Yeah. I my career is in accounting, and just know coming from Nigeria and coming here to the whole idea of me coming to the US was to better myself, right? So I wanted to take advantage of that, and I just wanted to do something that felt more likely to guarantee success in my
What
life. Yeah.
and what does success mean? Is that like a senior position? Is it making loads of money? What does that mean career-wise?
For me, it's just stability, stability, and a huge part of it is financial stability. I wanted to be able to afford anything, and it's not that I'm like all about the money, but I wanted to be able to stand on my own, and I wanted to be able to have a job where I can afford the basics, whatever I want in life. Yeah,
The nice things.
yeah, the finer things in life.
How did rejection make you who you are today?
It definitely motivated me to, when I think when I got no, I wanted to be able to prove that I can do it. So yeah, rejection hurts, but it definitely always motivates me. And there have been situations, without going into specifics, where I look back and I'm thinking to myself, I wonder what they think now that I'm here. Maybe people that just didn't think that I would get to where I ended up getting. And even though where I am is still, there's still a lot of steps for me to climb. But there are, people that didn't think that I would even get to where I am. And so I think that's, my motivation to keep on striving for better.
What advice would you give to people who are experience rejection at work or have come from a background of a lot of rejection?
I think to never let it get you down. I mean, sometimes rejection, I take some time to reflect on that rejection because, it's not always, if I didn't get a job that I wanted to, why didn't I get the job? Is there a skill? Is there something that I need to learn? So sometimes it's like, I don't always take rejection as, like I don't get upset by it. It's more or less like, take what you can learn from it and just keep striving, just keep going. It's no doesn't mean no. Whenever one door closes, just there's another door waiting for you to open it.
Excellent. What advice would you give to someone wanting to pursue a similar career to you today?
A similar career in finance?
Correct, yeah. So if they wanted to be you, but they're not where you are today, what advice would you give them?
I would, just keep upskilling. I think one of the things that always helped me is, just learning. I studied accounting, but I also learned how to be a project manager. I learned different skills, Excel, just to beef up my resume. So I would definitely say just keep on pushing, and any chance you get, try to upskill. Also networking, just try to network and get to know. I mean, I like organic networking. I'm not very big on just going to meet whoever, but if you have the opportunity to connect with someone that you feel like you can learn from, and also like you can offer something, to definitely build on that relationship.
And how can our listeners connect with you online?
Uh Follow me on Instagram, Chixotic at Chixotic T, or my LinkedIn. I'm on LinkedIn. I'm not very like big on social media, but because of my business, I'm more active on social media. Um, we have a website, our team website, where you can also contact me. It's Chixotic.com.
Forward thinking.